Good morning, students. Today we'll discuss class 9th chapter 2 Is Matter Around Us Pure, and our topic is physical and chemical changes. In this chapter we have learned the so many properties of the matter, and there are so many changes that occur in the matter also. And what are these changes? These are physical and chemical changes. And what are physical changes? Physical changes are those changes that occur when a matter change its property but not its chemical nature. जिसमें जो matter है वो अपनी physical property change करता है, chemical nature को change नहीं करता. और वो physical property कौन सी है? वो है शेप, साइज, कलर, ऑर्डर, वॉल्यूम, मास, वेट एंड डेंसिटी. जो कि फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी यानी कि कलर चेंज करता है, वॉल्यूम चेंज हो जाता है या मास चेंज हो जाता है, वेट चेंज हो जाता है, ये हमारी फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी है. सिर्फ फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी में ही चेंज आता है. तो ये जो जब मैटर की फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी में चेंज आता है तो उन चेंजेस को हम बोलते हैं फिजिकल चेंजेस. और इसमें जो है कोई भी चेंज आने के बाद कोई भी न्यू सब्सटेंस हमें नहीं मिलता है. इन चेंजेस के अंदर कोई नया सब्सटेंस हमें नहीं मिलेगा. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, अगर हम वाटर को फ्रीज़ करें तो हमें आइस मिलेगी, और आइस को अगर हम मेल्ट कर दें तो फिर से हमें वाटर मिलेगा. तो हमें कोई नई चीज़ इसमें नहीं मिली. तो इस टाइप के चेंजेस जिनमें कोई भी नई चीज़ हमें नहीं मिलती, उस टाइप के चेंजेस को हम बोलते हैं फिजिकल चेंजेस. और ये जो चेंजेस हैं वो रिवर्सिबल होते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, हमने वाटर को फ्रीज़ किया और ये चेंज हुआ आइस में, और आइस को हमने मेल्ट हुआ, ये फिर से वाटर में चेंज हो गया. तो ये क्या होते हैं? हमारे रिवर्सिबल चेंजेस. नो न्यू सब्सटेंस इज फॉर्म इन फिजिकल चेंजेस एंड दे आर रिवर्सिबल इन नेचर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, टेयरिंग ऑफ पेपर. अगर हम पेपर को फाड़ें तो हमें पेपर ही मिलेगा, कोई नई सब्सटेंस हमें इसमें नहीं मिलेगा. चॉपिंग ऑफ वुड. अगर हम वुड को कट करें तो हमें वुड ही मिलेगी. नो न्यू सब्सटेंस इज फॉर्म. कटिंग ऑफ कैरेट, वी गेट कैरेट अगेन. इफ ब्रेक द ग्लास, वी गेट द ग्लास. इफ वी शार्प द पेंसिल, वी गेट द शार्प. मेकिंग कैंडी एंड पॉपिंग बैलून. इन ऑल दीज changes we are not able to get any new substance, and all the changes in which no new substance are formed, that type of changes are known as physical changes. So in all these changes we don't form any new substance. So these are physical changes and these are reversible. सो नेक्स्ट आर केमिकल चेंजेस. केमिकल चेंजेस में जो है कोई भी जो सब्सटेंस होता है उसमें जो केमिकल, उसकी जो केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज़ हैं उनमें चेंज आता है और उसमें नई चीज़ मिलती है. किसी भी सब्सटेंस में अगर कोई केमिकल चेंज आता है तो उससे हमें क्या मिलेगा? कोई भी नई चीज़ मिलेगी. ऑल द केमिकल चेंजेस फॉर्म अ न्यू सब्सटेंस. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ़ वी बेक द केक, so we are not able to convert this cake again into its batter. So we form a new substance from its batter, a cake. A new substance is formed, that is cake, and we are not able to convert this cake again into its batter. So this is a chemical change. Let us take few more example. For example, if we make the tea, we dissolve sugar in it. After making the tea, we are not able to get the sugar again. So this is a chemical change. We form a new substance, that is tea. If we burn the logs, then we form ash, and we are not able, we can't convert this ash again into its log. So this is a chemical change. We form a new substance, that is ash. Breaking of water into hydrogen and oxygen, and burning of wood, we form heat and light and ash, and we are not able to convert this again into woods. So these all are the examples of chemical changes. Toasting of bread is also a chemical change. Metal rusting is also a chemical change. We form a new substance, that is rust, and we are not able to convert this rust again into iron. So this is also a chemical change. We form a new substance here. Next, burning of paper. Keep in mind, cutting of paper is a physical change. In physical change, no new substance are formed. But burning of paper, we form ash. And if we form ash, it is a new substance. And ash is having their own properties, new properties, which are not similar to its parent substance. So these are the chemical changes. Next, we have ripening of fruit. कच्चा फ्रूट जब पक्के फ्रूट में कन्वर्ट हो जाए एंड पक्के फ्रूट को हम फिर से जो है कच्चे फ्रूट में चेंज नहीं कर सकते. सो वी फॉर्म ए न्यू सब्सटेंस, दैट इज ripening of fruit is also a chemical change. If we convert milk into curd, this is also a chemical change, because we are not able to convert this curd in milk. So all the chemical changes are irreversible changes. So chemical changes are those changes in which a new substance form with having their own new properties, and these are irreversible changes, and these are very very important in exam point of view. One question is 100% confirmed from this portion. So here are the few more examples. Physical change: if we cut the wood, this is physical change. If we burn the wood, is a chemical change, because a new substance ash is formed here, and the changes where new substance is formed are chemical changes. But if we cut the wood, we have not formed any new substance, we got wood again, so this is a physical change. Next is a list of few changes you have to answer. Lightning of match, chemical change. Melting of chocolate, if we melt the chocolate and again we can freeze it and get the same chocolate, so this is a physical change, no new substance is formed. Freezing of water, we get the ice, and if we melt the ice we get again water, so this is a physical change. Next, frying of egg. Frying of egg, then are we able to convert it again into egg? No, we are not able to convert this omelette again into egg, so this is a chemical change, a new substance is formed. Mixing of paint to make a new color, this is a also a chemical change. We get a new color and we are not able to convert this color again into the parent color, so the changes in which we get the new substance are chemical change, and the changes in which we are not able to get the new substance are physical changes. At the end of the video I will give you a question, you have to answer of that question in the notification, so try to give the answer. Thank you so much for the today.